Hello, right now I will show you how to speed up your Samsung Galaxy A06. First, let's go into settings and let's go into device care and check for the storage. It is very important to always clean up your storage so it won't get full. In case your storage is full, that might be one of the reasons your phone is running slow. So, for example, you have to clean out the trash right here. You have to delete all the trash that is here. You have to delete all the apps that we are not using. You have to take a look at these applications and delete everything that you are not using. It's just taking up space. You can delete duplicate files and some large files. You have to take a look at all the big files and delete them or convert them to your SD card or computer or to your cloud storage. Something like this. So that's it. You can also go into memory, the RAM memory, and you can clean up the RAM, so your phone also will go faster since the RAM won't be occupied. You can also extend your RAM by using this function RAM Plus. You can set it to 4 GB, so your phone will be running better by having more RAM available. You can also turn off your power saving mode, since power saving reduces the usage of the processor and all the stuff on your phone, simply to save your battery. So if you want your phone to run faster, you have to turn off the power saving. You can also reduce the animations by going into accessibility and vision enhancements. And right here you have the button reduce animations. Right now your phone will run smoothly, like a little bit faster, since the animation are turned off. So just like that. And also remember it's very important to have your phone charged at least to 80%. But because if you're running your phone on a low battery, your phone will automatically turn on the power saving mode, and probably it won't be you won't be able to turn off the power saving mode, and overall your phone will run much slower. So basically these are all the tips about speeding up your phone. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, if you're looking for more information about Samsung Galaxy A06, please take a look at my channel. Thank you for watching.